Guys, I want to show you how to change your air filter for Mercedes Benz W203, which is majorly Benz starting from 2001 to 2007. W203 compressor, and this is how to change it. This is simply where the air filter is situated, just beside the side of the engine. So right, you got the air filter ready, the new one to replace the one inside the engine here. I mean inside the beside the engine where the air filter is. So let's quickly, what you need a screwdriver, which is this little type. I can easily remove those ones. The screws are already here. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This side of the this is the lid that you need to remove. Inside here is where the air filter is. So that one, you have to unscrew them. Those 6 of them I've already started unscrewing them. Anyway, just to quickly show you, it doesn't take much than that, a minute or two to do this. Once that is on, fully unscrewed, you lift them up. Actually make sure that those screws are not getting you're not losing them. So this is it. As you can see, this is the air filter, which is already very dirty. It accumulates a lot of dust, and it's very important you change this often, especially when you do the full service as well of your engine. So this is it. You can see. Come, let's see how dusty it is. Anyway, this has to be thrown away. Then we're going to replace it with a new one. We got a new one already here, which is of the same size. Make sure when you are ordering for your new air filter, make sure it meets specification. Purposely, if when you give it to your dealer or whatever, or you go to the motor shop where they're selling this, you give them your registration number. They're going to give you specifically the one that fits into your this type of car. W203 Mercedes Benz 180 compressor. So as you can see, this is it. Can you see the difference now? Massive difference. This, once this is replaced, it helps. Make sure if there's anything like dust or whatever you hear, make sure you have it cleaned up properly. Yeah. So you just simply need to put this edge here, down here, and then the other way over there. That's it. It's as simple as that. Press it a little bit, not too much stronger. That's it. It accumulates. It will not allow the dirty here to fly into, flow into your engine. It works even with your air system. The heating system will be working fine after this. Then you need to now close this, then screw them back, just like that. So that's it. It doesn't affect this side of the engine. You don't need to touch anything. It's very simple. Just these 6 screws of the lid. That's all you need to unscrew, and that's it. That's done. After this. So thank you very much for watching. That's how to quickly change the air filter of a vehicle. Mercedes Benz W203, which is Mercedes Benz compressor. Thank you. That's the job done. Yes. Please check our video about do it yourself. And very simple. On this channel, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it. Thank you.